Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I think this video will be helpful to you guys. So do click the subscribe button and bell icon so that you can receive notifications when I am posting something. And now let's get into the video. Queries on hair combing. We lose lot of hair while combing. It makes me think not to comb my hair often. So let's get into the answers. Combing will never give rise to hair fall. The hair we lose while combing is the hair that is already in hair fall. You will lose that hair even if you don't comb your hair. Losing 50 to 100 hairs in a day is normal. Some patients suffer from hair shaft disorders which makes hair very brittle. Such patients need a hair care routine. And second query is, me and my roommate share a same comb. Is it alright? No, it is not at all alright. Sharing comb is not healthy. Most of us share combs with our family members, roommates. Without knowing somebody's scalp's condition, you should not share. Ringworm, lice, scabies are the commonest infections that can spread from one person to another person. Always keep a clean comb for yourself. It's always better to carry a comb for yourself even when you are at home. The next one. My hair is curly. Combing my hair causes breakage. What should I do? And normal combing or brushing will cause a lot of breakage. A white-toothed wooden comb must be used for curly hairs very gently. Use hair serum to keep your hair smooth. You can use your fingers gently to detangle them. Types of brushes you must have. Round brushes. They come in a variety of sizes. Big is for volume, medium is to bevel in, small ones are for the hair curls. Back combing brush to get a teased look. Detangling brush. This brushes are used to untangle your hair smoothly. This will help you without any damage. Brush your hair and stay glamorous. Thank you for clicking on my video. Hope this is useful. Do subscribe to my channel.